In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring tasks in Notion. Whether you're managing personal projects or a busy professional schedule, setting up recurring tasks can save you a lot of time and help keep you on track effortlessly. Let's dive into the straightforward process of making that happen. First, we'll start by navigating to the Notion landing page if you haven't already done so. Once there, you'll see a familiar interface where all your existing pages and workspaces reside. Next, you're going to click on the Create New icon to begin setting up our task management system from scratch. This option is typically represented by a plus sign and allows you to start building a new page or workspace. Once your new page is open, add a relevant heading. Perhaps something as simple as recurring tasks would suffice. But feel free to personalize it to suit your needs and preferences. Names have a certain way of making projects feel proprietary and official, creating an accountability link between intention and action. Now, direct your attention to the lower right corner of your screen and click on the three small dots. This is Notion's way of showing more options. Within that menu, select the Table option. Tables in Notion provide an excellent framework for organizing tasks since they allow for multiple properties, including text, dates, and checkboxes. Once your table is in place, you're able to customize the columns. Specifically, you can choose and personalize the name of each column to better suit whatever categories are relevant to the tasks you'll be managing. This might mean labeling them by task name, deadline, or priority. To add task-specific data, click on Add Property. At this point, a drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to add different types of properties. Choose Date for one of your columns. This feature is integral as it will anchor your tasks chronologically, allowing for a robust overview of how your agenda elements align over time. With the Date property added, click on New to initiate a new row in the table, followed immediately by selecting New Template from the options provided. This is essentially creating a task blueprint that you will populate with the recurring content you need. Next up, click on Add Icon, which makes your table visually intuitive and attractive. Adding a distinct icon above each entry enriches your interface, ensuring it remains engaging. Be sure to add the headers, laying out any additional insights or structuring needed for clarity. Having fine-tuned your table, start adding your specific tasks. Each task entered should reflect a consistent format for ease of interpretation. Now, you can return to the initial page from which you embarked on setting up the table. At this point, click on New again. You'll want to apply the repeat functionality to tasks or groups of tasks you've created, ensuring they rejuvenate according to your set intervals. Clicking on the three-dot menu over your table will expose a Repeat option. Select it and choose Day from the options that dictate frequency, ensuring tasks regenerate daily. Finally, give it a once-over and click Save to lock in your recurring task regime. And there you have it. You've now set up a streamlined system for recurring tasks in Notion. This new system will seamlessly integrate into your daily routine, helping to ensure nothing slips through the cracks. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!